The first task that your manager has assigned you is create a communication site. So from your SharePoint site, let's go to Admin Center. Active Sites, create communication site. SharePoint project, site owner, all of the settings seems to be okay. Storage limit, I can put 100 gigabytes for now and click on finish. So new site has been created. In search, click for the site. SharePoint project, click on SharePoint-project URL. So this is our communication site with Hero Web part with 6 different images. On this particular site, your manager has asked you to put some of the announcement that we will be working on. The first announcement that has been asked is to put the weather web part. So this lab describes the weather web part, which allows you to show the current weather on your page. Click on edit. And go at the bottom. Plus sign and click for weather web part. Search, select, so weather web part has been inserted. In add a weather location, start typing your weather location. Seattle, Washington. You can add another location. And add a third location here. Once all done, click on republish. So the 3 weather cities, Seattle, Dubai and London, have been inserted on your web page. This is a good way to show, you want to engage your SharePoint users to be coming to your page more often. And this is one of the enhancements that you can do at your organization. If you want to delete or you want to edit, you will simply go to edit button. Select the web part and click on the pencil icon. Edit web part. You want to edit city. I'll simply click on delete if I want to just add. So I deleted London, and I'll add another city here. And to change the name of the particular heading, you'll simply select and click on change location display name. Right now it's Paris, France. You can say select anywhere in your white page. Click on republish. So this is how you can either delete the cities, or you can also change the heading. Now let's change whether you want to switch between units of temperature. So click on edit again, and in the toolbox on the right, select Fahrenheit or Celsius. So go to weather web part and select web part and click on pencil icon on left hand side, edit web part, and display temperature, and select whether you want to show it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. There is no save button, just simply click on the X, click on republish, and here you can show Seattle, Dubai and Paris in Celsius now. The last thing in this web part is any viewer of published web page can switch the unit of temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius on their own view. Changing the settings does not affect other users' view. So for example, you are on your SharePoint page and you want to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You will simply click on the Celsius unit and say switch my view between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So this particular view will only be applicable to you and not other users. So this is how you can add weather web part to your SharePoint page. I'll see you in next lab.